5 AI tools, zero coding, and normal people are quietly making over $10,000 a month with them. And most of these tools, you've probably never even heard of them. Let's fix that. If you've ever wondered, how are people actually making money with AI? Is this hype or real? And why does it feel like I'm always late? You're not crazy. Right now, there's a massive AI gold rush happening, but not where most people are looking. Not crypto, not trading, not YouTube automation. It's happening inside boring-looking AI SaaS tools that solve very specific problems, and people are building $10,000 per month businesses around them. Today, I'll break down 5 AI SaaS tools that are already making people real money, beginner-friendly, and scalable if you actually stick with them.
No fluff.
No theory, just what works. And make sure you watch until tool number 5. It's the easiest one to start with, but the hardest one to copy. Let's be honest for a second. Most people fail with AI because they do one of 3 things. They learn AI, but never monetize it. They chase viral tools, then quit when it gets saturated. Or they try to build something massive and burn out. The real money isn't in using AI. It's in wrapping AI around a painful business problem and charging for the solution. That's exactly what these tools do. Let's break them down. Tool number 1, AI appointment setters for local businesses. Picture this. You own a dental clinic, real estate office,
Spa,
roofing company. You're paying for ads, but leads aren't calling back. Your staff misses messages, and appointments slip through the cracks. That's a money leak. Now multiply that by thousands of local businesses. Enter AI appointment setting SaaS tools. These are AI chatbots that instantly reply to leads, qualify them, book appointments automatically, and integrate with calendars plus CRMs. Examples:
Go AI Level AI Workflows, Tidio AI,
ManyChat with GPT, custom GPT plus Twilio setups. Here's where the money is made. One guy I know, not a developer, set this up for dentists. He charged $500 setup, $300 per month per clinic. He landed 35 clients. That's over $10,000 per month. And here's the crazy part. The AI does 90% of the work. Pause for a second. This isn't selling AI. This is selling reliability. Why it works. Why businesses pay. They don't want to hire staff. They don't understand AI. They just want more booked appointments. You're not replacing humans. You're replacing missed opportunities. Tool number 2, AI content repurposing SaaS. Creators and businesses are drowning in content.
Podcasts, YouTube videos,
Webinars, but no time to
delete,
caption,
post,
repurpose. So content dies after one use. The AI solution. AI content repurposing tools take one long video and turn it into TikTok clips, YouTube shorts,
Twitter threads,
LinkedIn posts. Tools like
OpenAI, Video AI,
Munch, or custom GPT plus video workflows. Here's the play. One solo founder, targeted coaches and consultants. Offered done-for-you repurposing. Charged $400 to $800 per month. Just 15 clients equals $6, $12K/month. No ads. Just outreach plus results. Most people try to be creators. The money is in serving creators. Pros scale this by niching down real estate, fitness SaaS founders. White labeling tools. Adding analytics dashboards. Tool number 3. AI resume and job application SaaS. Job hunting is broken. People send 200 resumes, get 2 replies, 0 interviews.
Why?
Because resumes aren't tailored. AI resume tools. Rewrite resumes per job. Optimize for ATS systems. Generate cover letters. Prep interview answers. Examples:
Resume.io AI, Teal,
custom GPT resume builders. One founder launched a niche resume AI for tech layoffs. Charged $29 per month. Hit 400 plus subscribers. That's over $11,000 per month. Notice the pattern? Niche features, Why it scales. Evergreen demand. Emotional pain point. High willingness to pay. People will always pay to get hired faster. Reduce anxiety. Tool number 4, AI customer support agents. SaaS founders and e-commerce brands hate support.
It's
Repetitive, expensive, time-consuming. But bad support kills retention. AI support agents. Answer FAQs. Handle tickets. Learn from docs. Escalate only when needed. Tools.
Intercom AI. Zendesk AI.
Custom GPT chatbots. One agency. Built AI support bots for Shopify stores. Charged $200 to $500 per month. Signed 30 stores. That's $10, $12K/month recurring. Recurring revenue beats viral revenue. Every time. Advanced players. Train bots on internal data. Add multilingual support. Bundle analytics plus insights. Tool number 5. AI lead scoring and outreach SaaS, the sleeper hit. Sales teams waste time. They chase bad leads, cold prospects, low intent buyers. Time equals money. AI lead scoring tools. Analyze behavior. Rank leads by intent. Trigger personalized outreach. Tools.
Clay.
Apollo plus GPT.
HubSpot AI.
Custom workflows. One founder. Built this specifically for B2B agencies. Charged $1,000 per month. Landed just 12 clients. That's $12,000 per month. High-ticket SaaS doesn't need scale. It needs precision. Why this one is powerful. Direct revenue impact. Easy ROI pitch. Sticky once implemented. The big pattern you should notice. Let's zoom out. Every tool on this list solves a specific pain. Targets a clear niche. Uses AI as leverage, not the product. AI is the engine. The business is the wrapper. That's the difference between
Playing with AI.
getting paid by AI. How to start beginner-friendly. If you're new, pick one niche. Pick one problem. Use existing tools. Sell the outcome, not the tech. You do not need to code. If this video helped you, like it tells the algorithm this was valuable. Comment AI and I'll reply with the best starting tool. Subscribe, I break down real AI businesses every week. And remember, the AI wave isn't coming. You're already standing in it. The only question is, are you building or watching? See you in the next one.